Hi, this is Ramanaya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Guntur Engineering College. Today we are discussing about the topic Unit 1, Lecture 2, Simple Stresses and Strains. Today we are mainly discussing about the topic tensile test. What is an tensile test? What is an tensile test? The tensile tests are performed on specimens which are subjected to gradually increasing anaxial load until failure occurs. The test specimen of uniform cross section is held in the jaws of universal testing machine, and load is applied gradually by a hydraulic press up to fracture. The stress strain diagram is obtained automatically with the help of instrument attached to the machine. This is the overall schematic diagram about stress strain diagram for a ductile material under the tension. Here, x-axis x-axis represented by strain. It is denoted by small e. Y-axis represented by y-axis represented by stress. It is denoted by sigma. Here A, B, C and D and E capital letters are available. Here A is denoted by proportionality limit and B is denoted by elastic limit and C is denoted by yield point and D is denoted by ultimate tensile strength. Finally, capital E denoted by fracture. Here, x-axis the space between A to B, this is called elastic deformation, and B to D, this space is called uniform plastic deformation, and D to E is called localized plastic deformation. Next, stress strain diagram for brittle material under tension. This is the schematic diagram about stress strain diagram for brittle material. Here, x-axis represented by strain, y-axis represented by stress. This is the parabolic curve represented by a brittle material. Finally, the end point is denoted by a fracture. Unlike ductile materials, brittle materials fail without appreciable deformation. Next important topic, what is ultimate stress? The maximum axial load that a member can withstand without failure is called ultimate load. The maximum stress that a material can withstand without rupture or failure is called ultimate stress. Here we are cleanly observed about that what is the differences between the ultimate load and ultimate stress. Ultimate load means the maximum axial load. Ultimate stress means the maximum stress. Finally, ultimate stress, it is denoted by sigma u, that is equal to ultimate load by original cross sectional area, that is equal to p suffix u by a. New units are Newton per mm square or Newton per meter square. Next we are discussing about the topic working stress. The failure of material takes place at ultimate stress. So While designing a member, the stress developed in the structure should not exceed in the ultimate stress. This safe stress is called working stress or permissible stress or allowable stress. A simple definition about working stress is also known as the ratio of ultimate stress to the factor of safety. Finally, this is the very important stress. Working stress that is equal to ultimate stress by factor of safety. Next, what is an yield point? Yield stress or yield strength is in the material property which is defined as the stress at which a material begins to the deform plasticity. The point at which the plastic deformation starts is known as a yield point. Next important point, what is the factor of safety? Factor of safety is defined as the ratio of ultimate stress to the working stress of any material is called factor of safety. Finally, factor of safety that is equal to ultimate stress by working stress. How to select a factor of safety? These are the main properties to select the factor of safety. First one, the property of material used and changes in its intrinsic properties over a period of time. Next, the applied load resistability, the limit of stresses. These are the main selection of factor of safety. Next, elastic constants. According to the nature of strain, the elastic module or modulus of elasticity or Young's modulus, modulus rigidity or shear modulus. Thank you.